Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be looking at long division with polynomials. But before we get started, let's refresh our brain on long division of numbers. So, long division of numbers. So, let's say we are given 208 uh, divided by 16, and we are not going to use a calculator. So, first we set the form like this: solution, put our dividend in this, and put our divisor. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So first thing is to follow a series of steps, and the first is to see if 16 can go into 2. Now 16 can't go into 2, so we think if 16 can go into 20, quite alright, 16 can go into 20. How many times? Once. So we write it here. 16 can go into 20 once. Then we multiply. That's the first step, is to multiply 1 by 16, and we get 16. So that is the 16 here. So the second step is to subtract. So we subtract 20 from 16, we get 4. And now we bring our 8 down. Then we ask ourselves, can 16 go into 4? No, but 16 can go into 48. It can go 3 times. So 3. So we can say 3 multiplied by 16. Or we'll subtract again, multiply again. 3 multiplied by 16 will give us 48. Then we subtract and we get 0. So therefore, 208 divided by 16 is equal to 13. So what if we are giving, now this number is exact. What if we are giving a number that will end up as decimals? Something like 257 divided by 12. Now, something like this shouldn't end up with a whole number, it should end up with a decimal. So we say solution, put our dividend in here and our divisor in here. Okay, now can 12 go into? No, but 12 can go in 25, and it can go in 25 twice. So first step here, 2 times 12 is equal to 24. And now we can see, bring our 24 here and we subtract. 24 minus 25 minus 24 will give us 1. Then we bring our 17 down. Now we continue. Can 12 go in 1? No, but 12 can go in 17 once. So we multiply again. 1 times this one here, multiply by 12 will give us 12. So we put the 12 down here and subtract again. So this 17 minus 12 will give us 5. Now we can either stop here or continue. 12 can't go in 5, so if you are going to continue, you put 0 and you calculate. Let's say put 0. Now 12 can go in 50. How many times? 4. Now since you have put a 0 there, you put a dot. So you put a dot. Then 12 can go in 50. Think 4 times. So go to the fifth step, you multiply again. 4 times 12. That will give us 48. So we bring our 48 down here and we subtract, we get 2. So this is how we are going to continue, and that is the idea of long division. So we are going to apply this idea to solving long division with polynomials. So if you are going to continue, you add another 0, follow the same step, and the decimals keep going on till infinity. So from here, from the idea we just displayed here, we are going to look at long division with polynomials. Long division with polynomials. Now, a polynomial is a function that comes in this form: f of x being equal to a plus bx plus cx squared. You see, increasing factors of x plus dx cube plus dot 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 continues that way, and is required, although sometimes when resolving into partial fractions. Now, the idea of long divisions with polynomial is sometimes required when you are solving or when you are resolving expressions into partial fractions, and that will be explained more in detail in my future video. So let's get down to long division with polynomial. For example, if you are given, let's say number 1, if you are given to divide 2x squared plus x minus 3 by x minus 1. Now, we know this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So just as we've learned in our long division with numbers, we put the same or put this in the same form. The dividend, which is 2x squared plus x minus 3, and our divisor will be here. So now, first is to say, as the first step, x can go in 2x squared, quite alright. 2x squared divided by x will give us 2x. So we'll put our answer here, 2x. Then we multiply. Second step is to multiply the 2x. 2x multiplied by x minus 1. So this gives me 2x squared minus 2x. Then I'll bring this here and subtract, just as I did for the long division with numbers. So I subtract. That's the third step, is to subtract. Now we can see that if I subtract this, 2x squared minus 2x squared gives me 0. Then x minus 2x will give me x plus 2x, and that is 3x. So we'll bring this one down. Then we continue this again, which is the fourth step. X can go in 3x, yes. 3x divided by x will give me 3. Now we add that here, plus 3. So we multiply again, just as we did in this second step. So our fifth step, you multiply your answer, which is 3 here, multiply it by our x minus 1 to give me 3x minus 3. So put it 3x minus 3, and the sixth step here again is to subtract. Now we can see the pattern. First divide, multiply, and subtract. Then we do it again, divide, multiply, and subtract. And that is how we are going to continue until we get our answer. So you can see that if you put negative sign here. 3 minus 3x becomes 0, and minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So my answer here is 0. Therefore, 2x squared plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. Now that is our answer. So if you check to see if you are correct, you will discover that 2x plus 3, which is my answer, multiplied by the divisor x minus 1 must give us the dividend 2x squared plus x minus 3. So let's take another example to get a clearer understanding of what we are trying to do here. Number 2, what if we are asked to simplify x cubed over x plus y cubed over x plus y. Now we see that if we are about to simplify, if we are trying to simplify this, it is still equal to x cubed plus y cubed all over x plus y. And now this is our dividend and this is our divisor. So solution, can put this, okay, x cubed plus y cubed x plus y. Now first step is to say x cubed divided by x, just like I did in this other one here. So this gives me x squared. Then I multiply, which is the second step, x squared multiplied by x, this is y, x plus y to give me x cubed plus x squared y. So I'll have that x cubed plus x squared y. And the third step is to subtract. I subtract. Now I can see that this minus this, x cubed minus x cubed cancels out, and I'm left with plus y cubed minus x squared y. So I'm left with minus x squared y plus y cubed. Then I go over it again. Negative x squared y divided by x. That leaves me with negative x y. So negative xy. Then I impute my, fifth step is to multiply negative xy multiplied by x plus y, which gives me negative x squared y plus, or rather, minus x y squared. Because negative x, where xy multiplied by positive y will give us negative xy squared. Now, I put my negative x squared y, negative xy squared. Then I go to the sixth step, which is to subtract again. So if I subtract, this becomes positive, so it cancels out with this. Then I'm left with positive xy squared plus y cubed. So I go over the process again, which is the seventh step. I say xy squared divided by x, this x here, to give me y squared. So I'll have plus y squared here. Then I'll multiply by my y squared by this, which is the eighth step. Let me manage my space. Eighth step. So y square multiplied by x plus y to give me xy square plus y cube. Now, if I have my xy square plus y cube, then I go to the ninth step, trying to manage myself. I subtract. And if I subtract this, I get 0. So therefore, x cube plus y cube all over x plus y is equal to x square minus xy plus y square. And this is our answer. So if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.